So what's up, guys? Now we're in New Jersey. We are hanging out. Welcome back to JBADV. My name is Jacob. There's Pauline, looking fancy on the Z650. That is such a great bike, guys. If you guys are looking for an awesome street bike that's not really like a crotch rocket, but like an awesome bike to just cruise around, don't be nervous about the 650. The 400's good too, but just go with the 650. It's only like a couple dollars more. We're currently on our way out to get some fuel, meet up with a couple friends, ride a little bit because it's a beautiful day today. I actually can't believe that it's like 60 degrees outside right now and it's the end of March. This is incredible, honestly. So we're just trying to social distance ourselves here by, you know, hanging out. Going out for a little ride. Some may say that's what you shouldn't do, but I don't know. I enjoy it. Oh, dude, you better run across the road faster than that. But yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Are you guys out enjoying the weather? I would hope so. She forgot her Cardo Pack Talk. I have mine, but I don't have it even on. There's no point, really. I'm not gonna be listening to music while I'm talking to you guys because I'll just get distracted. But she forgot her Cardo Pack Talk, so it's kind of hard for us to talk. So now, like, we're using hand signals to kind of like let each other know which way we're planning on going. Which is like totally defeats the purpose of even buying it, but we forgot it. There's nothing better, honestly, than just being in a sweatshirt. And this is a very light sweatshirt, like a nice little jersey. Man, it is. There's nothing better. That guy's moving. Wow. Whew. On a mission. There's just absolutely nothing better. I can't believe that it's this temperature yet again. I mean, I can't wait for the warm weather. Give you guys some awesome videos. Today, there's going to be no trails, I don't think. Like 90% sure there's going to be no trails today, guys. It's just a nice cruise. I probably use this bike a good 50-50, so I mean, I kind of want to get a nice supermoto wheel setup for this bike, if I'm being honest with you guys. But I'd also like to keep the dirt tires, and I will be getting a D606 for the rear, I've decided on, and an MT21 for the front. That's the tire set I'm going to go with for dirt, and then hopefully I'll have the supermoto wheels for the road, which is what I would have on right now for today if we were riding normally, but I don't have them, so still deciding on it yet. Haven't really quite decided on it yet. Oh, also another update for you guys. I did order a jacket. I ordered a jacket, I ordered pants, and I ordered some gloves. The jacket I went with, I'm gonna shout out another YouTube channel right now, Dork in the Road. Go check him out, and good going, Dork, on your review of the Andes jacket. Phenomenal review he put up about it, and that's what I went with. So I went with the Alpine Stars Andy V2 jacket. However, I went with the Honda licensed one and not the crazy white teal color one, because I don't have an Africa Twin that's color. I went with the good old classic red color, black and red. So that's what I went with, and I did that for the pants and the jacket. Just ended up tailing behind these guys a couple miles up the road here. This is an older R6 in front of me. I like it. It's really cool. Woo! Got nice and low there, I feel like. I feel like I got pretty low on that corner. I don't know. I haven't been in a sketchy situation yet with the stock tires, to be honest with you guys, on this bike. Not to say I won't be, but on the road anyway. Like I always say though, in the dirt, well, you guys know my opinion on that already, but. Alright, we got a full tank of fuel. We got air for her tires. And we got friends. So we are good to go. nothing better. Just cruising with your buds. I have no idea where we're heading, by the way, but should be a good time nonetheless. It's always fun doing a nice little cruise. This is a very small version of the cruise that I was on the other day. Similar path though, similar highway, just the other end of it. So it's a good time. We're out here with a Husky 701. Such a beautiful bike, man. Supermotos, they're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. That's definitely not social distancing, my friend. Fun fact, on my Instagram, I have really cool photos of this place. Now I know where we're at. That's why I'm staying up with you guys, because I'm trying to like get good shots if I can, you know what I mean? But I don't know, we'll figure it out.
Yeah, sounds good to me. I'll take whatever you can give me, sweetheart.
Yeah, man, it's nice. This is my buddy's 450L. I love it. Those are the wheels I'm gonna get, man. They're nice. Except I want blue rim. Alright, we're all heading out. I think I'm gonna get behind the fiance this time. Pretty cool. We're going over to a viaduct. I do know the viaduct, actually. The viaduct's awesome, and there's actually trails on top of it because it's abandoned now. Nobody really, it's not used for trains or anything anymore. But we're going over there to take a group photo, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get one with the GoPro, see how it comes out. This GoPro does like the super photo thing. It's pretty cool. So totally different topic right now, guys, but as we cruise, I thought of something, and I've been thinking about this now for the past couple days, and I want your thoughts and feedbacks on this. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the different cameras available on the market, but I shoot with a GoPro Hero 8 with the Media Mod, so on and so forth. Actually, it's down in the description what I have going on right now. And I'm still rocking the weird mic setup that I did because my original mic that I was using, the Purple Panda, is broken. But onto the topic of what I'm getting at here. I'm thinking about getting a 360 camera. I'm thinking about getting a GoPro Max. Mainly for off the back end of me. I think it'd be really cool right now to have a different perspective than this that you guys are used to, where you guys can actually follow me from behind. And then I'd also be able to flip the angle around and you guys can see everybody behind me as well. Because we're going to be doing a lot of this cruises and cruising, should I say. And I think that would just add such a great perspective to what's going on. I also want to try to get like side shots, like have maybe like a pole, I don't know, 12 to 24 inches off the side of the bike, and grab some cool side shots of people. So let me know your thoughts and feedbacks on that. I've never messed with 360 video before. If any of you have, let me know down below. but it seems pretty straightforward as far as the software is concerned for GoPro. Looks like they really updated their software a lot. So it looks like you have to like edit the 360 video, and then once you export it from their software, then you have to import it back into Premiere. So it is what it is. I don't see that being too big of a deal, but let me know what you guys think about that. I think it'd be really cool perspective to like be able to see my suspension and stuff off-road in trails. I don't know, I'll have to see. The only hard part is on the road it wouldn't be a big deal because there's no trees or anything that it would hit, because it would be a pretty long pole. A lot of people call it the unicorn mount, but in the woods that might be an issue with trees. Woo, fiance's pushing it a little bit here. She got going pretty good. And this is the viaducts, guys. So awesome. Hello, governor. Say hello for the vlog. No, I said say hello for the vlog. Hello. Still better than Corona. Oh, we're doing it now? Jeez, come on, guys. I was just getting comfy. So we are lining up here to do some awesome photos. That was a fun little meetup. We just hung out, took a couple photos, had a good time, and now we're just heading back out. So far today I've gone 53 miles on this cruise. A lot of fun. Not the biggest cruise we've ever done, but we all met up pretty late. It's a Friday today. We all met up pretty late. I think it was around like 4:30 or so that we all met up, but it was a lot of fun, guys. And you guys can expect many more cruises like this with all the boys. And you guys can expect also a lot of trail riding. There's gonna be a lot of trail riding coming in. That's gonna be a lot slower paced stuff. Naturally, I won't be doing 70 through the trails. So that'll be a lot more calmer, laid back. A lot of fun going through the trails. This is just a lot us craving warmer weather and finally getting it. And we're out riding in it. And really, there's nothing better. It's so much fun. You meet up, you ride, you go get some food after. It's good times. She's good, that means we're all good. It's awesome. She's doing really well today, which is absolutely awesome. She was pushing herself, I could tell. She's normally back of the pack, but she's not today. She was actually middle of the pack for a lot of it. It's really awesome. Alright, so we just met up again here. And now we're gonna head out. That was the end of our cruise pretty much. We're all kind of splitting ways now. We're all splitting our ways here. I'm actually getting kind of chilly now. I got this really light little like hoodie on, jersey thing. It's nice, actually. Today was perfect for this, but yeah, it's chilly now. But yeah, we're gonna follow these guys for a little bit here, and then we're gonna split off. Pretty much go back the way we came, which is through a little farm stuff and everything, little farmlands and everything else. Right? Yeah. Seriously, dude? You don't even care? What the f? So I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. Thank you very much for watching yet again. I don't know what kind of video I made out of this, but in any event, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm still getting used to figuring out what to record and when to record, you know, on these big cruises, because it's pretty hard to capture everything, and I know you guys don't want to sit through a really long video. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and man, this warmer weather can't come fast enough. I'm loving it. So if you guys ride, be safe out there. Enjoy your two-wheeled machines, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and once again, I just can't thank you guys enough. This community is absolutely awesome. Take care, guys.